Hello, this is Sanya Patel and you're welcome to HW News English. A global lookout notice has been issued for Janata Dal secular MP Prajwal Revanna because of the sexual harassment allegations against him. Karnataka Home Minister G. Parmeswara said Revanna must meet with the special investigation team investigating the matter soon. If he doesn't show up, there's a possibility of arrest. The SIT had refused his request for more time to appear before them. Yesterday, Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah has called upon Prime Minister Narendra Modi to take urgent measures in response to the reports that Hassan MP Prajwal Revanna has utilized his diplomatic passport for foreign travel. In a letter addressed to PM Modi, Siddaramaiah emphasized the necessity of promptly cancelling Revanna's diplomatic passport. Additionally, he urged the Prime Minister to utilize diplomatic and law enforcement channels within the Government of India, along with international police agencies to facilitate the swift repatriation of the absconding Member of Parliament. The allegations involve sexual harassment by Prajwal Revanna and his father H.D. Revanna against a woman who used to work as a cook at their home. The woman also claims Prajwal Revanna harassed her daughter through video calls. There are explicit videos circulating online allegedly involving Prajwal Revanna. The minister stated that they will be arrested if they don't appear. Prajwal Revanna's lawyer Arun G previously stated that there were various dimensions to the case that required time for proper addressing. He noted that Prajwal had requested 7 days to cooperate with the investigation, suggesting that accommodating this time frame should not pose significant difficulties. The lawyer emphasized Prajwal's assertion that the videos in question were morphed. In a statement posted on X, the JDS MP mentioned, and I am quoting it, "As I am currently not in Bangalore to participate in the inquiry, I have conveyed my situation to the CID Bangalore. Through my legal representative, the truth will emerge soon." The allegations have ignited a significant political controversy during the election season. The JDS, which has allied with the BJP for the polls, now faces scrutiny due to the accusations against Prajwal Revanna. This has prompted the Congress to launch a full-scale attack against BJP. Congress leader Priyanka Gandhi Vadra has directed her criticism towards Prime Minister Narendra Modi, questioning his silence on the matter. The leader, whom the PM publicly supports and campaigns for just days before the elections, is now absconding amid serious allegations. Will Modi ji continue to remain silent? She expressed in a post on X. That's all for this breaking news today. Thank you for watching HW News English. Download our app Shorts to get the latest news and updates.
Stay ahead with our cutting-edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.